am in no way, shape, or form consider myself a bad girl. None at all. However, I fully know how to defend myself if you mess with me, so don't. What's good, angels? It's your girl EarthAngel naturally, all up on your screen with another episode of DSession. Welcome back to another episode of DSession, guys. I hope you're ready because we're about to jump into this week's hot topic. Now, I am super excited to do this because Shenseea dropped a new song, and according to everybody everywhere, this is like the new bad girl anthem. Now, I do not consider myself a bad girl in no way, shape, or form. Angels, you know this. Somebody joined us. Hi, comment. You're down for the stories. Thank you for letting me know my notebook was around there. You okay? All right, we have a guest in this session today, guys. Anyways, so okay, she might be a little bit distracting, so come comment. I don't want you to distract them from my story. Like I said, I am in no way, shape, or form consider myself a bad girl. None at all. However, I fully know how to defend myself if you mess with me, so don't. But I'm super excited for you, Shenseea, going right here. So we're about to do a little reaction. But you know already some love showing a one reaction in all of the weeks, in all of the episodes of the session. So this is gonna be a reaction for this week. Shenseea, Bad Alone, Ramesh Entertainment as an all new official audio. Let's see what's happening here. Now that the cover art here, nice. The cover art here nice. Okay, ladies, okay, let's break it down. Let's break it down, angels. So I like the fact that the background, we can't really say what that image is. It just look like abstract art. That's what they call it when it's not really like free form. Them just bag of stuff mixed up together. And then I love the broken glass at the corners because it gives the impression like she just fire through the glass and I say I see her. You get what I say? So she fire through the windshield. I know you can see her clear as day. And she did it, and the army suit it give me a kind of militant vibe already. So she'll come for the kill. She not come for arrest. She'll come shoot to kill. And just everything just nice. I like this. I like this. Only thing I don't like are the purple. I don't know why the purple throw me off, but everything is nice.
When I talk, my mouth never make me run. And these a gyal when no afraid for war, and me no afraid for bus gun. The black man say, tougher than a dumb said in a school. No drop me gyal ever in murder and mood. Bad alone, bitch, that's the truth. Plus I be a bad gyal rolling on my bumbo clock crew. Okay. Oh, alright. Alright. I'm not part with idiot for real. Like, big up all of my good body. Listen to me, big up all of my good body friend them. Because I just the other day, I tell somebody, say, I'm not part with idiots. Right now, me and my friend them don't have no time for each other, and it's a good not the time for each other because I know man we each up under them arm and have time for each other. Work, put in the work. So you say all the people them, you know, we have all this time for each other now, and then I forgot work them ass off later in life. Me and my friends will be on a yacht somewhere in Panama sipping champagne because we put in the work when we're young and know we can enjoy life. Yes, listen to me, your circle must reflect who you are, here. That means tell you. No, I like this. Fully broad. Everybody know already, so them can't mess with me because I'm a man. Like my husband alone intimidate people. But they ever talk about my friend them. They everybody have good outside them. So I mean, even have to do nothing half the time, people. My circle like legit strong.
hook there. No, like Shag, one bad with the bad what them do. No, you see the bad alone have bullet holes in it. I never did notice that bad. I like that. I never did notice it at first, but I notice it after. One girl when I talkie, my mouth never make me run. And me is a girl when I afraid for war, and me not afraid for bust gun. Me black myself. Kind of slow down right there, so for me. Yeah, the vibe kind of slowed down this a while ago. But alone bitch, that's the truth. Plus I be a bad girl rolling on my bumbo clock crew. Me never lose a fight to no little fool. Girl up the bungle up like I said them a call a loot. But alone, that's the truth. Plus I be a bad girl rolling on me crew. So for the no dumb said in the school. No drop my girl ever in murder and move. But alone, girl up the bungle up like I said bad girl rolling on me crew. Alright, this can go on. This young one, I like this. I'm not telling a lie, I like this. You know, visuals always add to a song. So maybe when she drop the music video, you know, it will call for a little bit more excitement. But Urban Islands, I know already from the last session episode, Urban Islands, link up. You get me? Partnership. There we go. Yeah, they posted an article talking about the new female gangster anthem, that Bad Alone, that Shenseea dropped. So they talk about the fact that the song has a similar lyrical flow to Shenseea latest, like, you know, viral song, Side Chick song. I don't know, Side Chick song never pop up in my mind, none at all, when I listened to the song a while ago. And coming off a fresh listen, it's still like, if they didn't mention it, it wouldn't have even come to mind. But let's listen to Side Chick and say, like, let's pull up by the last part of Bad Alone, sorry. See, me I like call the song Bad Girl because that vibes they give me. But Bad Alone, I could listen to that again and I will listen to Side Chick and say if I true. What I'm saying, the rhythm, many recognize the beat and lyrics from the start of the Side Chick song where it can be heard playing. Oh, and that they must say, so the song did I play on the Side Chick. Wait alive. Let me see angels. If I true. I never peeped that at all. Yes, Bad Alone a true. Bombat. Big up to you, Shenyang, for peep. Shenyang's out there for peep that one day. I never peep that at all. Cause the way Omi did so excited for us getting our go another Side Chick music video. I never even did really made no song where I play in a background. Just like how TJ song did I play in the intro on him. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Anyways, angels, let me know in the comment section down below what you thought about Shenseea's new song Bad Alone. If you've heard it, let me know what you thought about it, and if you have not, you can go and listen to the full song uninterrupted by me and my voice and my excitement in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching yet another episode of this session. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section down below what other hot topics would you like me to cover in future episodes of this session, even though we tend to really keep them current. However, we also like to give you guys an opportunity to share what you want to see on the show as well. So let me know in the comment section down below if there's anything pressing that you would definitely want me to give my opinion on. I will sure do so. And also follow me on social media. Links are in the description box down below. Like the video, give my like button some love, show my like button some love, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're a fan of dancehall. This is the place you definitely want to be. Yes, so hit the subscribe button so you never miss another episode of DSession. And until next time, angels, walk good. All you beautiful people out there in the world. Bye, angels.